name is Summer. I am from Mustang, Oklahoma, and I'm a sophomore music education major. Today we're going to be talking about playing your first sounds on the saxophone. So first, let's remember our proper posture and our correct embouchure, which is the U shape. And what we're going to do is just take a deep breath in and then exhale warm, fast air. So okay, so once you've practiced that a few times, we're going to go ahead and do that same thing on the mouthpiece and the neck. So once you've practiced that a few times, go ahead and add your neck to the body. And we're going to do the same thing on a non-resistant note. I'm going to play it on B. So that's just your first finger. Just make sure that you're keeping that warm, fast air and taking a nice big breath.